will count my 2 days income. Let's say how much I do income in 2 days, no, in my small store. So this is the fishball, tempura, and siomai. So this is a burger, no, 2 days. And this is the grocery. As you can see, this is the grocery income. So let's go here first in the fishball and siomai. 150, 250. Okay. 300. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 80, maybe 90. So let's leave here the coins there. Magdagdag pala ako sa aking so 380, I think. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 385. Fishball, siomai, tempura. There are 3. So 385. 385. So because I always get the 10% of my income, so we will get so 400, 300 ba, 50, 100, 200, 300. So let's get here 30. 1, 2, 3. So 300. Ilan ni 8? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So let's get 5. So my tithes in the 380 is 35. Tama ba? 10% niya 85. So 80. So 3. The 30% of 385 is 35. 35. The 10, 100, 200, 380. Tama. So, I have here tithes to God. Every time I have income, I give the tithes. No, that's how I do it. So, my left money here without remove already the 10% for God. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 20, 30, 45. So I have still 345. So I will buy this again, the tempura, the fishball, and the siomai. So I have here, so it's 350 45. So I got some 10 pesos for my bank, bamboo bank. So that's so let's proceed here to the, what do you call this, burger. So let's see how much this. Mukhang marami. So I thought it's a lot. 100 Melbourne Smith. $40, 140, 50, 50, 60, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6. So my income only in my burger is 150, 60, 70, 2, 4, 6, 75, 175. So because 175, I get some tithes, no? What is the 10% of 175? 10 tsaka 5 tsaka 2. So 10, 15, 17. So 17. I don't know if I'm wrong or correct. So the tithes of 170 is 17 pesos. And still have a 40, 50, still have 60, 160. So it's still big, but it's not enough to buy the burger stick. I mean the burger. The burger is cost 55. So 2 times 55, 110. How about the bread? How about the ketchup? Oh my gosh, I'm short. I'm short. So we will put here. So now I am going to go to the grocery. So let's check how much the grocery. 1, 2, 3. 300 na ang grocery. 300, 340, 350, 60. Wala na coins. Puro na coins. 70, 370. So, yung mga coins na to, hindi na to bilang. So, dyan na lang yan. Hindi na yan bibilangin. So, I have 340. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 40, 50, 60, 30, 70. So, I have here 370. The tithes of this is 30. Wait, 30, 70. 37. So, 20. Uy, kulang. 10, 20. Papala. Lara na lang. 37. 20, 37. So, 37. So, this is for God. And the left of money is 1, 2, 3, 40, 3, 20, 33. 333. 3333. So, we will get here, guys, 20, 10, and 5, and we will get here 10 for my coins. So, I have here, I have another candies. So, this is my putting here. So, it's not bad to give a tithes, no, because it's although it's not enough to give a tithes, but you know, that's life here in Philippines, no. If you are, you know, need to open the money for Jesus, for God, no? So, burger, fishbowl, and what do you call this? Normal. They don't sell anything. So, tomorrow I will buy some grocery. What is? I have shampoo. Sugar. So, I do this so I can't forget it. I don't like the scrabble. So, this is grocery. And this is fishbowl. And this is So I have here. We will bring this tomorrow. So we will put now this one to my here. So I can see it properly. So I can have here. Here. And then. So here. I don't buy anything for this kind of money. Cannot buy. So this one I need to put here. So tomorrow I can buy the important things here. So return back this in their places. So this one is candy from Candies. Every time kids buy candies, this is it. 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Uy, kadako din. Praise the Lord. 80, 90. 100. 10. 110. 5. 110. 120. 2. 5. 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow. May waki. So the money here is 120, 30, 40, 140. I give to God in 10. 10 at saka 4. 14. 2, 4, 6. This is my money left. So let's check here the money of God. Let's get 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Wow, big money. God have 75 pesos of money today for my offering and tithes. So another plastic for the candies. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching Lovable Girl channel. So wow, very heavy. So I will prepare myself for tomorrow. I have journey with something. Because we lost our umbrella, my nephew